Hey, what's good with you YouTube? This your boy. I'm back at you with another video. It's gonna be another vlogging video. I got a lot of stuff to take care of today. We gotta get the Challenger done. My daily driver, the Challenger, is sick. We got a few things we gotta take care of. I'm gonna change the brakes. I need to change the it's a sensor I need to change. I need to check the oil, the brake lights. It's a few things that's going on with the Challenger I need to take care of, so we're gonna fix that today. I also got a few runs I need to make, so I'm gonna take y'all on the ones I can, and the ones I can't, y'all gonna still get to know about it, but we're gonna see how it goes. We're just gonna let the day flow. It's gonna be just another day, nothing changing, but you know, we're gonna work on the challenge to get my daily driver right. So once I start putting out the other cars in the shop, I'll be straight. I'll be back at you in a minute. So this is what we at now. So I'm in the car. I got my brake pads, front and rear. I went with the gold ones. It's ceramic brake pads because they put out less dust and stuff on the rims, so they last longer. And my check engine light came on, so now I'm checking this to see what's going on with that. So might have to buy one more other part. We're gonna try to put that on today if we can. I also had to get some wipers, those out. So that's what we at with it. And I'll be back at y'all once I get to where I'm gonna get to with changing the brakes. Bow. I just got through eating. Y'all gotta excuse me. I got the food on my face and my teeth, but my boy just pulled up on me. Man, he just got that thing clean, man. Show y'all. What's going on, boss? You doing all right? Already. Got big Allen, big Draco. I go check my nigga out, Exquisite Bully Allen. Big money. He in there high siding and grooving like mud. What he got going? What he doing up for
What's good, man? Exquisite Exotics.
I see the buzz right way over here. That's the buzz?
Yeah, that king.
That's good.
What's going on? Alan, why you got all these people stopping by here, bro?
They looking at you now.
They looking at your ass, nigga. I don't drive no Audi.
Shit, I don't got no 26-inch rims.
You ain't get your ass on.
What's them, 24?
That was good with it. So this is everything that I just purchased today. So I got these for the front, these for the back, change the windshield blades, thermostat sensor. I have to change. It's the smallest piece that's gonna be the hardest one to do, only because it's in a hard location to get to. Once I get to it, it'll be easy to take off. Got my little tools and everything I'm gonna work with. So I might show y'all one of them, but I'm about to go on and get these rims taken off and get them, get these brass pads and stuff changed, so I can get back at y'all in a minute. can't do all that. Huh? Your home crew can't do all that. Can't do my damn thing. So it's good with YouTube, back at you. You know, I got the brakes put on the front and the back. I had a little issue. They gave me the wrong brakes, so I had to go back out there and get some new brakes. Dude got an attitude with me, talk. I'm like, bro, like, you work here. You supposed to help me. Oh, I ain't got time. I ain't got time. Okay, don't worry about it. We'll take care of that. We'll take care of that. So, but I got the brakes put on the front and the back. Changed the windshield wipers. Checked all my tires. Everything looked good. I didn't get to put the sensor on. I was trying to go get my hair cut, but I wasn't able to make it to that neither. So I'm finna run to this pet shop and we're finna go pick up some food, maybe pick up another fish. I don't know if y'all know, I got 2 or 3 fish tanks. So if I can record in there, I'll show y'all when I get out there. Yeah. So what's up? I made it to one of my old fish stores. It's a little boutique, Aquarium boutique. They got some dope fish in here. I might end up buying something. I like that good old peacock bass. I had one of him about that size. I had to get rid of him. I used to have an Asian arowana. Well, that's a silver arowana.
Just no flash.
Okay, yeah. Now I'm recording. Do y'all have some guppies?
Yep. On the other side in the
back,
pretty much like right here in the middle.
Okay.
The fancies are, then the feeders are at the bottom.
Okay. Found locust. What is that? Jack Johnson. They got a whole bunch of them. They got a good one right there. What they want for that? They must have sold them. Yeah, convicts, baby convicts. Green carrots. Got a couple of things, a little fancy biscuits. catfish in there with some ghost one. Got all the saltwater stuff back there. We'll take a look back there. Pretty good.
Good, how's the boss, man?
Can I get like 60 guppies? Maybe 20 ghost trout. And can I get, how much of those, the flavors over there?
The big ones?
Not the very big one, but I just want other guys.
Like which one? These guys are actually bigger than this guy. On the comments, we should have a. And this little guy is $9.98.
Oh, no, that's too small. How much are those?
These. 30.
Can I get,
Yeah, the bigger ones are 40. These are 30.
these right here?
Yeah, they're 40.
Can I get one of each? Well, yeah, can I get one big one and one medium one?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll stop down here with this. So with these are 8 dollars. Nice. Looking for a certain kind of fish. I don't think they have any here. That's a little bit small. Somebody had babies.
I like slate into the tanks. Just because it's so stackable. Yeah, so it's just going to be dry. Paint boss?
Street and little tank. Are those little lobsters for sale, the crawfish?
Yeah, the crawdads are for sale at $4.98 a piece.
Can I get 2 of those?
Alright. You feeding a lot of stuff?
Really, I have an empty tank upstairs. I'm thinking about turning it to like a, like the first tank you got here with all the, African cichlids with the couple of males and the females in there. But I'm still researching on it. I know you can't mix all of them together. And then downstairs I have, well my fish downstairs, this be like a little spectrum. I got like some Oscars, catfish, stuff like that.
couple times. Those are the Exquisite Bullies. They're a loach.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have like some big ones. Do they get, how big do those get? Just pretty much
About 6 inches or so. Most loaches get there, like the clown loaches definitely get bigger.
Yeah.
But typically if it's like called a bolita, it typically gets about 6-7 inches. Like the yo-yo loach.
Okay.
They're all pretty similar, just different patterns.
Yeah, I know I had a couple of clown loaches. I had them big already. They take a really long time to grow.
Yep, that's why they're so expensive.
And I should have got I think it was up here one time, it was here or after, I go to the North Dallas Aquarium too, one of the two, they had like some huge ones. And they was like super cheap. And I should have got them. I think I might grab a couple. I need a couple of small ones in that tank to like clean off the bottom. Before I turn this camera off, I'm gonna go on and show y'all in the back real quick. I gotta. Grab some clothes. I got. Get everything I need. I'm gonna show y'all. I got probably like the salt water, they got really pretty colors. Like it's almost really big. It's really dirty up there. It's funny neat. Very good. They got really pretty colors. I like the pink in this too. So I'm about to turn this camera off. If I gotta make sure I get everything I need. I don't have to come back up here. This is too far to be driving. So I'm gonna, cause they act like they kinda got attitude. So I'm gonna make sure I get everything that I need and I cut y'all back on in a minute. We rich. So what's good with y'all? I ended up spending a couple of $100. I got some big bags. I'm gonna show y'all everything when I unwrap everything. So, you know, and we got a package here. So, boom. Gonna be an exciting day. What's good with you? So I went on and knocked out the fish tank, but I had to come get my hair cut. My kinfolk gonna chop me up. So I've been trying to get a haircut for about 20 years. I had a fro but cut it low looking at. So, hey, he up here working. I can't even get a haircut for nothing, cause
Man, I got him. You know I do, man. See you on the channel. Okay.
what's up, bro? What's good with y'all?
How you doing?
Alright. You got the whole set up in here, and I can't never get no haircut.
He alive. He always can. He know he can. He know he can.
Man, you lying like a mug.
Exquisite